down kami sa series, yun na yung pinaka-motivation eh. Enough na eh. So, kailangan talaga namin mag-bounce back eh. So, credit din ni Kuya Yancy. So, nag-step up talaga si Kuya Yancy. Alam naman natin na may veterano si Kuya Yancy pagdating sa playoffs eh. So, maasahan namin si Kuya Yancy.
80% ng depensa namin nagawa namin ng maayos. So, ibig sabihin, may 20% pa para magawa namin ng mas maayos pa. So, kukunin namin yon, pag-aaralan namin mabuti para ma-perfect namin in the end. Dahil alam namin, Game 3, mas babalik sila mas malakas. So, kailangan bumalik din kami mas malakas sila sa kanila. Alam naman natin ang Ginebra, hindi naman basta-basta madaling talunin. So, in fact, nakauna nga sila sa amin. Ngayon, nakabawi kami. Siguro, ito may sa semis eh. Hindi mo alam kung ano adjustment ang gagawin nila. Kailangan ready lang kami. Kasi siyempre, alam na din naman namin na pagka kami naglaro at nakafocus, nagawa namin ang maayos yung depensa namin, may chance din kami manalo sa kanila.
In the beginning, sabi ko parang chess match ito eh. And then makikita nyo kanina talaga naghahanap pa ng advantage at disadvantage, yung strength at saka weaknesses. And it happens na medyo siguro maganda yung move namin. And we've learned our lesson from our last game eh. Because there's so many lapses on our side defensively. And we're able to score 108 points, but we allowed them to score 115. So it's a clear indication na we're not playing defense. Because in the second half, we give up 69 points to them. So that's huge. It's supposed to be, it's below 100 points. This is a playoff time. But maybe because of the talent of the player, they can score, even though there's a good defense. And I hope na this win could give us some momentum. But it's really hard dahil we keep on adjusting.